Traditional dance-off, Brookings, Dinky Minute,
I
Junkono,
would love to
Maypole.
challenge Neville to that.
That's good.
Only because of this social distancing. But Neville, I challenge you to a dance-off.
You're challenging me to a dancer?
Yes, I can. I bet I can Brookings better than you. What you think?
I went to the stadium, man. I just you're a queen. Why am I going to tell you? I am the biggest dancer in the world. What are you talking about?
Okay.
All right, so when COVID done keep, you come in the studio and we have a dance.
I think we can do it before COVID because we have social distancing rules. So once we put you guys 6 feet apart on the set, it
Right.
can be done.
And you can allow the viewers to vote.
Yeah, I agree, Kamara.
Only to say, it's not everybody who sound like them bright. Smile jammers. Bertie's ravers in the building. So, last week, the 2019 Festival Queen, Kamara Wright, challenged I to a dance-off, and she actually showed up this week. So I have no choice but to take on the challenge. But have no fear, because Delia Ravers is also here. And she's on my team. So anything we can do, which is none of them, Delia will come in. But here's Kamara. Good morning. Welcome, my friend.
Good morning.
Well, go on.
Oh, there.
I am finding out that I didn't know that because I worked, that she's from St. Catherine. Delia, who won the Festival Queen, is also from St. Catherine. And I think, Delia, you would have been the last person from St. Catherine to win before Kamara. Congrats.
Thank you.
And you are so enough. You get 2 years.
Yes.
But in a serious way, what has it been like for you? What before the COVID thing, were you able to do anything at all?
Yes, definitely. It was a very busy reign. I was at schools, at civic functions, different national events. So it was a busy period. I appreciated all of it, interacting with the children, being at different events and interacting with the different ministers as well. It was a fun time, and I definitely learned a lot in the process as well. And I think it further molded me into becoming a better woman too.
Yeah, what was what you call it, the thing we want to save the world and all kind of thing? What you call it?
Or project.
Yeah, what was your project?
So my project was about food. So it was called Nourish and Flourish. And then, of course, COVID came and it derailed a few things. So right now we're going to go back to the drawing board, kind of pivot a bit and see how best we can actually, maneuver the project and still make it effective.
So you haven't been told what is expected of you for this coming year?
Well, not just yet. Because everything is so novel, we're definitely going to be having our sessions and seeing how best we can still ensure that, the Festival Queen is still relevant in this time, but still impactful as well.
Why did you want to enter in the first place?
Why? Honestly, this is what I tell everyone, I was very hesitant about entering when I was 17, and I entered the performing arts and culinary competitions instead. And last year, I just bit the bullet and said, all right, I'm going to enter. The main reason for entering was because I wanted to serve. I wanted an opportunity to give back to Jamaica because I used to work overseas a lot. Okay. So I wanted to give back my skills, and I really wanted to challenge myself as well because this was something completely new. So. Yeah.
Speaking of challenge, you were serious when you challenged me to a dancer?
Yes, already.
You have sense?
Watcha.
I asked a serious question on television. Do you have sense?
I have all the sense now.
You have dance sense?
Yes. So are you ready? Are you afraid?
If I'm afraid?
Are you afraid?
Run the music now. I can pull this and deal with this thing. Run the music. What
this Dinky Mini. Can Dinky Mini? Come. You first.
I don't know when you have Dinky Mini. Dinky Mini are the one who goes so. No stop. Oh, me look. Wait,
so you have to go down?
You have to go down?
Yeah, kick out the foot, yeah.
Hold on.
So the females, you have them hand here.
How will me do it, my hand?
And then you will have your hand here.
Wait. So just one foot you do it with?
Well, you can do it with 2 feet.
No, and if I just your right foot alone, you do it with?
You can do it with the other one if you want. Do it with the other one if you want.
The mic,
Phil. The mic? Yeah. Hold it in your hand if anything. Just hold it in your hand.
Okay.
Let's go.
So.
Go on, man.
You go down.
Go down.
Mm-hmm. And you kick out your right leg.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you move your hip. Yeah, go down.
Hey!
Hey!
No, sir, hold on. We're just
So we win the first
All right,
one.
okay. Next one coming. You win the first round?
Yeah, man, me win the
Why, George?
So is
this
it-
one
What
is
is?
faster.
So what is
Pumina.
this?
Pumina, so it's similar but forward.
Jody, you ready for this?
Hip. No, push out your hip and in.
You have to push your foot, your hip forward. Yes.
Out.
Come
Go
here.
up and down.
Not call hell. Wait no
I
man.
told that dancer, I dance.
Come man.
This is a win already.
What?
No,
Win
I
already.
push out the hip.
Yes.
Show me.
You never see Rex do it. So you
Yeah.
have
Come
to
again.
push
Run the music again.
out the hip.
Yes.
You have to push out the hip.
So,
See that?
Hey.
See that next.
Okay, Neville. The
Yes,
face. Come.
I feel like Professor Rex.
Yes. I see it. NDT.
All right.
Devil is coming.
I win the second one.
Yeah.
Run the third one. Whew. But me tired. Run the third one. Yeah. Me tired. Run the third. Me like that move they do. You look like Professor Rex. Why don't you have to make up on the face when you dance?
No, you make up your face
Because
a
of the
while ago to do.
expression. Yeah, but you make up your own too.
But why the face have to make up?
Because the attitude of it showing in your face.
So me feel do.
Yeah.
No, sir. Me don't like that. Run the next thing, no, man. Cool off you down.
Okay. All right.
What you know what it is? What you know what it is? Come on.
No, so you have to start, you have to start
Oh, you
the
have to-
dance thing. You can't do
warm it up,
No, you have to start the dance. Go on, no? Do the same thing look me there do a while ago.
Your hand.
Your hand and you lean back.
Well, the only reason I lose that one is because I'm tired.
Okay.
Only that one day you lose?
No, man, we never that one.
Oh,
Next one. Whew, what was that a while ago, Jones?
Bogle.
That was the bogle.
That was the Bogle. I'm a friend, you know. Was my very good friend. Outstanding dancer. Bogle.
All right, next one.
Now this one is original.
Yes, the Della move.
You know the lamu?
The Bella move. Just follow me, no man.
You have it, Neville. You have it.
Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Tell man. Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Come on. One time gone was
Soft man, come to this one up for me.
and then come the cool and deadly.
Pop. Come in, Neville. Come, Neville.
So me say,
Neville.
come there.
Come, Neville.
Me say soft man and soft man run.
Come, Neville. Come,
What me do?
Neville.
Did the move?
Come, Neville. Come. Yes, back it up.
How the people come get in and they go trouble. Did the move? Did the move? Come how the people come get in and they go trouble. Find you one like
Hey.
in for someone.
Hey,
Move
got
your
it,
foot,
got it,
turn in
got it.
fashion.
Whoa.
Rip up your body and get in and the motion.
Hey.
Did the move?
What did it?
See,
Yeah.
Macaulay in my
Mash
head.
it up.
Macaulay in the
Mash
head.
it up.
Thank you very much. I just want to thank everybody for that wonderful victory just now. I apologize for Miss Ponganat
We don't have a name
and
yet.
Miss Neesbury or something.
Delia Ravers.
Delia Ravers and Miss Neesbury. Thank you
song
so
is?
much.
You know this?
Warm it up, Neville.
Delia
Warm
said
it
this
up.
one is yours.
Warm it up.
She said this one is yours. Come in, Delia. What is? Jones. Your name Lebe.
Lebe. Hey. You have little rhythm, man.
Everybody can believe that the lady said me have a little rhythm. Whew. So good to see you. So good to see you.
Likewise.
Continue to enjoy this. Very proud of you.
Thank you.
Please stay safe and you are a cookist.
Yes, I'm a
So she threatened me and she came. So I'm going to ask the producers to invite her back for one of our cooking segments.
Definitely.
You have a specific thing that you cook or you just
Well, I prepare everything, so we can work together and come on here and
you can make
prepare
blue jars?
something. Yes. And drops and
All right, folks, and the 2020 Independence Dance Battle champion is Bertis Ravers. I lie, Kamara win easy. But we just never want hurt her up. We just never want to show her up on TV.
Okay.
I'm tired for 2 days, you know. All right, folks, 10 minutes to your health comes up after this quick break. Stay with us, please. Soon come. Good to see you again.